Good evening, everyone. Just a little update for you all on some due dates that are coming and to go over a little bit about the midterm exam that's happening next week. So first, research activity number 2 is due this Sunday, March 11th at 11:59 p.m. I extended that, gave you all a couple of extra days, thinking that it might be beneficial to have the weekend to work on that. And just a reminder that you will be doing a summary, critique, and offering the significance of 2 of your peer-reviewed sources from research activity number 1. It is not necessary to find new articles, but you only want to focus on the 2 peer-reviewed articles. As you work through the assignment, if you have questions, you can feel free to email me, and hopefully I can clarify those. I won't be answering emails on Sunday, so if you have a question, make sure that you get it to me tomorrow so I can respond. Okay, midterm exam next week. So the midterm study guide has been posted. It's been up this week. If you have not been able to access it, go ahead and take a look at it. Start working through those concepts. If you have questions, feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The exam will consist of 25 multiple choice questions and 3 short essay questions. And you'll have 75 minutes, which is an hour and 15 minutes to complete the exam. The exam will open Monday, March 12th at 8 a.m. and the window will close Wednesday, March 14th at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you give yourself that full hour and 15 minutes to take the exam. I think that's it for now. So if you all have questions as we move into this new week about the midterm exam or research activity number 2, feel free to send me an email. And like always, I try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great weekend.